Welcome to the world of finches, the small, colorful birds known for their delightful songs and vibrant plumage. These charming little creatures include over 100 species worldwide. Finches are cherished by bird enthusiasts for their lively personalities and captivating behaviors. Finches are typically social birds, often found in flocks of varying sizes. They are found across the globe, inhabiting a variety of environments ranging from forests and woodlands to grasslands and urban areas. Different species of finches have adapted to diverse habitats, with some preferring open fields while others thriving in dense forests. A group of finches is commonly referred to as a charm or company of finches. Finches have a diverse diet that primarily consists of seeds, fruits, insects, and occasionally nectar. Their sturdy beaks are well suited for cracking open seeds and extracting nutritious contents. Some finch species also feed on buds, flowers, and small insects. During the breeding season, male finches engage in elaborate courtship rituals, which may involve singing complex songs, performing aerial displays, or showcasing colorful plumage to impress potential mates. Once a pair bonds, they work together to build nests and raise their offspring. Finches construct intricate nests using a variety of materials such as twigs, grasses, and feathers. These nests are often cup-shaped and positioned in trees, shrubs, or even man-made structures. Female finches play a significant role in nest construction, with males occasionally assisting in gathering materials. The incubation period for finch eggs varies depending on the species, but generally lasts between 10 to 14 days. Finch chicks hatch typically in clutch sizes, ranging from 2 to 6 eggs, depending on the species. The parents diligently care for their hatchlings, feeding them and keeping them warm. Now let's check out a few finch species. Finches truly are fascinating creatures, with their vibrant colors, melodious songs, and captivating behaviors adding beauty and charm to our natural world. By appreciating and understanding these delightful birds, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure future generations can enjoy their presence in the wild. So next time you spot a flock of finches chirping joyfully in the trees, take a moment to admire their beauty. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more new content.